Okay, today is Estonia's Victory Day, and I'm in the countryside, and I'm gonna do some siren test, the noon blast siren test for my VMS Diaphon 77 Rikker. Yeah, the horn came off so badly, so we're gonna do some 1 minute, some 10 times blast and 30 seconds pause for a little minute. So this is the first siren test that we are gonna do today. Okay, I put the camera down, so I'm gonna quickly start up the siren. I'm running. That's it. This is the end of the test. Bye-bye.